Youthful-looking skin relies on a strong skin barrier. This outermost layer of the epidermis locks in moisture and shields the skin against irritants. When this barrier is compromised, the skin becomes prone to dehydration and increased sensitivity, making it susceptible to fine lines, discoloration, and other signs of visible aging. Advanced RGN-6 by SkinCeuticals is an aesthetic skin rejuvenation cream inspired by laser regeneration science and formulated to help reverse 6 signs of visible aging and tone damage. Glycorepair, ectoin, niacinamide, epirulin, acetyl tetrapeptide 9, and the proprietary bioceramide 603 work synergistically to enhance barrier repair while reducing visible redness and preventing oxidation. While Advanced RGN-6 is effective when applied alone for moisture barrier repair, its benefits are enhanced when used with laser treatments. These treatments enhance skin's appearance by inducing controlled damage to prompt regeneration, which may result in downtime, redness, discomfort, and discoloration. When used post-procedure, Advanced RGN-6 effectively soothes the skin, minimizes downtime, and reduces PIH. It has been clinically shown to enhance 6 key post-procedure outcomes for a 28% reduction in skin laxity, a 14% increase in smoothness, 10% reduction in wrinkles, 16% reduction in damage-induced pigmentation, 15% increase in firmness, and a 14% increase in brightness, demonstrating its potent regeneration capabilities. To use, apply 1 to 2 pumps twice daily to the palm of the hand and press into the skin of the forehead, cheeks, and chin. Apply after an antioxidant and other corrective serums and follow with a broad-spectrum sunscreen if using in the morning. Advanced RGN-6 is an ideal formula following laser treatments to enhance the skin's recovery and complement anti-aging results.